Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate any background for your photos in CapCut PC. Just like the AI replace here, make sure you've logged into your CapCut, and I'm just going to try to get the brush first, and I'm just going to select just the background of the photo here. Just like the background. Don't forget to like type in actually like the change background. You can also like change like the hairstyle as well. Maybe I should just do that actually. This is going to take forever, but I'm just going to try to do it as fast as I can. Oops, missed a little bit. You're just going to want to select everything. I'm just going to try to do it at, like really quick and not like as neat as I can because it will take me forever to do. I already know that. So just be patient. You're going to want to have to like select everything though, like actually like colored it in. I'm just going to, oh my gosh, I can't change the size. That's what I do not like about this feature is I cannot change the size of the brush. Like it will change the size of the rest as well, but you know, we'll work with it. Trying my absolute best. There we go. I'm just going to type in wavy hairstyle. Wavy pink maybe? Or brown hairstyle. But I'm just going to select generate. It does take a few seconds to do that. It will like show you here. Hopefully it looks alright. I actually haven't tried it with the hairstyle. I've only tried it with like clothing, sorry. Oh my gosh, it did work. That is so pretty. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you like a few options. So you're just going to select the result that you like. There's two more, but I can't really. And then you're just going to select apply once it's done generating. You can also regenerate it. But I think I quite like the first one. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!